Alrighty, so fully moved in now. Gone from the old place. Got a bit of a setup here now. Got a computer desk, but no outlets on that wall, so I gotta run something temporary so I can get that working. Sink, hoping to have that plumbed in to the water side over there later tonight. Have the drain done already. Oven, the washer and dryer. Got a bootleg pantry going on here, and I guess this is where I'll be sleeping temporarily. Alright, so I want to get this sink now plumbed into the water there, and I should have everything here now. Got the copper T fittings, some PEX adapters, got the solder and the flux, and I got a tip from Amazon for the torch. Got the PEX crimper, little rings, pipe cutter, got the valves for the sink. Then I got a whole roll of that PEX, so see if we can get this going. You know, I really should put something down here. Yeah. Got my old Terrible plates. My phone storage filled up there, so we'll give it another go here. Alright, so this will be my first kind of PEX crimp. Gotta slide these kind of rings on first, and I just unscrewed that from the wall to make it a bit easier to get that in around that corner. But I should just slide on like that, and this goes. I think you want it like not right up against the edge, but like I think like 1/8 of an inch or something. Probably read a manual, but whatever. This is temporary. And we got this weird guy that should just crimp onto there, I think. So Let's give it a go, see what happens. Alright, here at the sink, just got to get this quarter turn ball valve sort of on the one end of the PEX, and then we'll get the water hooked up on that end to the sink. So. Alright, gonna do the next one here. I'm actually just gonna start this crimp just a bit, so that's kind of stuck in the crimper already there. Alright, those are pretty tight. I think we will get the water going and see if it all holds. Not gonna lie, I mean, really, if I had to run all that with like copper fittings and tees, that would have taken like multiple hours. So that PEX saved a lot of time. So I now got that supply valve fully open for the house. Well, not fully open, but it's open. It's no longer flowing, so it's at full pressure and don't have any leaks. Things seem to be working. I just gotta get my water heater flipped back on. Just playing around with it here. Not exactly sure. I haven't lit it yet, so I've got it turned to pilot, and I'll just have a peek through there. Oh, looks like that pilot's lit now. You can see it better now if I have it flash off there. And it looks like there's a click, so I guess it just sends that the pilot is on. So we'll see if we can turn it now over. Should fire up here in a sec. Nice. Let's have a look at that flame actually. It's got a little yellow, but it's not bad. Cool. Not gonna lie, it's kind of nice being able to wash my hands before I eat my dinner now. Yeah, I think that's a success.